guys, Booming Freesia here, opening a box for solar driveway alarm, the Hove Smart. What's in this box? It says it's an upgraded sensor, rechargeable base station, adapters and cables, a screw package, and instructions. So let's open it and get into it, guys. It says, welcome to peace of mind. Says your driveway alarm with phone app has solar panel rechargeable battery, up to 1.5 miles of range, and new upgraded sensor. And it's also waterproof with 58 charms. So first thing we come out with is a rechargeable base station. As you can see, it's numbered off. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's a sensory button up here. It looks like you can mount it to the wall. It also has little rubber feet on them. Here's your charging cable, cables and adapters. Yeah. Here's your cable and here's your adapter. Oh, your base as well. What do they call these? Your screw package. And here is the upgraded sensor for your driveway. Please remove the film before use. So you got to remove this before you install it. They give you a little quick start guide. They don't even call it an owner's manual. They call it a quick start guide. Which hopefully it means that it's quick to install. But we'll check it out and see what it is. Here, HS006W driveway alarm with phone adapter. A quick start guide. They also send you a card. Thank you for choosing eMacros. Exclusive services, 1-year warranty, email your order. Your voice matters, and 24/7 support. They also have a QR code on the back. Learn how to set up the alarm system by scanning the QR code. What's included? We know the screws, the adapter and cable, the rechargeable plate, the instructions, and the sensors. LED detector introduction, solar. This is your solar part up here. That's why you need to take it off. Troubleshooting. Here's everything that comes in your kit. Hanging hole, power button, pairing button. So here on the side has a power button. Let me plug it. Does it have the USB? Yep. Let me connect it to my USB and then you can see the power when it comes on. Here's this part. My USB. I'm going to put the power on. As you can see, power is on. The lights. Music button. It actually plays music. It's kind of cool. Solar panel, like I showed you guys. The infrared sensor lens. On the bottom here, it has a switch port, a charging port, and a sensitivity switch. And it's really nice. It's under the silicone flap where you can find everything else that you need. And like I said, it has the changing channel. It can change from 1 to 4 over here. You have the Type-C charging port, so when you need to recharge it, it's right here. I'll show you. Easily recharge it right here in the middle. And then it has a sensitivity switch, and that means how far apart you want it. Do you want it off? Do you want it high? Do you want it low? And right now it's on high. But I like how they walk you through everything. Shows you step by step what to do, where everything's located. It tells you things about your charging pad. The base station will automatically enter waiting to cell phone connection mode. Bluetooth needs to be turned on. Oh, you can connect it right to your phone. I like that. How to set up the sensor, how to mount it to the wall. So very nice, guys. I love this driveway sensor light and hope to be using it very soon. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye.